For nearly 90 years, the Tasmanian tiger has been nothing more than a ghost of the past. Officially declared extinct in 1936, it vanished due to hunting, habitat destruction, and government policies. But what if extinction wasn't forever? Scientists are now closer than ever to bringing this lost predator back to life, and it could happen sooner than you think. A team of US and Australian scientists has successfully reconstructed 99.9% of the Tasmanian tiger's genome, making resurrection a very real possibility. The company behind this mind-blowing breakthrough? Colossal Biosciences, the same team working on bringing back the woolly mammoth and the dodo. But how did they do it? Scientists hit the jackpot when they discovered a 108-year-old Thylacine pup, perfectly preserved in alcohol at a museum in Melbourne. Unlike most extinct species, this specimen still had intact RNA, giving scientists an unprecedented look into how the Tasmanian tiger processed smells, light, and even how its brain functioned. But here's where it gets even crazier. Since no living thylacines exist, scientists are using CRISPR gene editing technology to modify the DNA of its closest relative, a tiny marsupial called the fat-tailed dunnart. By replacing over 300 key genes, researchers are essentially rebuilding the Tasmanian tiger from scratch. And if they succeed, we could see the first thylacine born in over a century within the next 10 years. But not everyone is celebrating. Critics argue that de-extinction projects divert resources from protecting endangered species still fighting for survival today, like the Tasmanian devil, which faces a devastating facial tumor disease. Some researchers even call it fairy tale science, questioning whether a resurrected thylacine would even be able to survive in modern Tasmania. So what do you think? Should we bring back the Tasmanian tiger? Or is this science playing with fire? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible discoveries. LG News.